If your house feels like the end of the school year exploded inside it, same here. So today I'm walking you through 5 simple ways to reset your home for summer without spending a dime. I used to think summer would mean slower mornings and more peace, but instead it usually meant sandy, dirty floors, snacks on constant repeat, and random shoes everywhere. So today I'm walking you through 5 simple ways to reset your home for summer without spending a dime. These are super doable, super impactful, and I promise they'll help your space feel calmer fast. Tip number 1. Clear the summer entryway. You know the drill. The doorway gets bombarded with flip-flops, beach towels, backpacks that still haven't been emptied. The first thing to do, clear out the school year gear. Then create a grab-and-go summer zone using what you already have. Baskets, hooks, bins, heck, even cardboard boxes, whatever makes life easier. If you've got little ones, label bins with pictures. If your kids are grown, label stuff for them and for yourself, because let's be real, we all forget where we put the sunscreen and the bug spray and the sunglasses. Tip number 2, declutter the in-between zones. Counters, stairs, coffee tables, they all become the catch-all for the chaos this time of year. So do a 10-minute sweep, one category at a time. Papers, cords, cups, water bottles. Go through and look for each one at a time. It doesn't have to be perfect, just lighter. And if you want a full, easy-to-follow system to help you declutter more than just these zones, I've got a workbook that makes it simple called Calm, Happy Spaces. I'll link that below the video. Tip number 3, reset your daily rhythms. Here's the thing, summer tends to throw routines right out the window. To bring a little calm back in, anchor your days with 1 or 2 simple home habits, like a 15-minute evening tidy or a load of laundry first thing in the morning. And no, these rhythms don't have to be rigid, just enough structure to keep the mess from piling up. Tip number 4, create a summer sanctuary spot. Moms usually end up last on the list, especially in the summer. So pick one corner that's just for you. A chair by the window, a cozy blanket outside, or even a clutter-free dresser or coffee tabletop. Make the space yours, because you'll show up better for everyone else when you've got a place to breathe. Tip number 5, do a gratitude walkthrough. It's so easy to focus on the mess or on the undone projects, on all the things you wish you could fix. But what if instead you walked through your home and noticed what's working, the things you love, the things that have served you well? This is actually one of my favorite parts of my See the Good home gratitude prompts. That tiny mindset shift, it makes a huge difference. So there you have it, your no-spend summer reset. Change the entryway from school time to summertime. Declutter the chaos zones, anchor your habits, carve out a sanctuary, and see the good in your home. If you want more help with clutter or habits, check out the links below. There's a freebie or 2 and some really helpful resources waiting for you. Here's to a summer that feels peaceful, not piled up. You've got this.